Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete debug logs in chunks in Salesforce. If you've been working in Salesforce for a while, you've probably noticed that debug logs can pile up quickly and take up valuable storage space. Deleting them in manageable chunks is a smart way to keep your environment clean without overwhelming the system. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. From the menu that appears, select Developer Console. This is where you'll access the tools needed to manage your debug logs efficiently. The Developer Console is essentially your command center for all things related to code execution and debugging in Salesforce. Once the Developer Console opens, direct your attention to the bottom panel where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Query Editor tab. This tool allows you to run SQL queries directly, which is exactly what we need to identify and delete those debug logs. The query editor is powerful because it gives you direct access to your Salesforce data in a way that's both flexible and precise. Now, in the query box that appears, type the following query: select ID from Apex log limit 1000. What this query does is pull the IDs of up to 1000 debug log records. The limit clause is crucial here because it ensures you're working with a manageable chunk of data at a time, which helps prevent any performance issues or timeouts during deletion. After typing your query, click the Execute button. This will run the query and populate the results panel with all the debug log records that match your criteria. You should see a list of records appear, each representing a debug log entry in your system. In the Query Results section, you'll now need to select all the records you want to delete. Start by clicking the checkbox next to the first row in the results. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the checkbox next to the last row. This action will select all the records in between, saving you the time and effort of clicking each one individually. It's a handy shortcut that makes bulk operations much more efficient. With all the records selected, look for the Delete Row button and click it. This initiates the deletion process for all the selected debug logs. Salesforce will then prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed with this action. Finally, click Yes to confirm the deletion. Once you do this, Salesforce will remove all the selected debug logs from your system, freeing up storage space and keeping your environment tidy. If you have more logs to delete, simply repeat this process until you've cleared out as many as you need. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted debug logs in chunks in Salesforce, keeping your system organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.